सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
The outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic has ravaged the world with infections and fatalities spreading unevenly at alarming rates across the country. The pandemic has scattered businesses, decimated lives, and disrupted the global economy. While the world has joined forces, global companies are working round the clock with medical researchers scrambling only to lay hands on their first breakthrough in inventing a vaccine to combat COVID-19. Here are the 4 potential coronavirus vaccines under development. Italy claims to develop first COVID-19 vaccine. Italy, the worst hit country by the coronavirus outbreak, has revived the hopes of the world as a team of Italian researchers at Lazzaro Spallanzani National Institute for Infectious Diseases in Rome announced to have discovered the world's first vaccine that can neutralize coronavirus. The vaccine made by Italy has successfully generated antibodies in mice that work on human cells and is believed to be one of the most advanced stages of testing of a potential vaccine in the country, as it likely could work on the SARS-CoV-2 in the human cells. With claims that vaccine candidates could likely adapt to COVID-19 evolutions, Italy's efforts seems to have hit a shot in battle with COVID-19. Israel's terrific breakthrough. In an official statement, Israeli Defense Minister Naftali Bennett announced of developing a monoclonal neutralizing antibody at Israel's Institute for Biological Research. Calling it a significant breakthrough, Bennett claimed that Israel invented a key COVID antibody that attacks and neutralizes the virus on the carrier's body. Though Israel has achieved a terrific breakthrough, it however still is unclear if the vaccine has been tested in humans. The Oxford vaccine against coronavirus. The University of Oxford began the Phase 1 human clinical trial of its vaccine, developed by the Jenner Institute and Oxford Vaccine Group. The potential vaccine, being a recombinant adenovirus vaccine, aims to prevent COVID-19 infection rising from SARS-CoV-2. The vaccine developed was injected on 2 volunteers to test and gain profound results. Oxford's trials and efforts to accelerate the globalization of a vaccine may soon yield the fruits the world awaits. The convalescent plasma therapy. This can possibly emerge as a promising treatment for COVID-19 infection. The plasma therapy treatment involves taking antibodies from the blood of a person recovered from COVID-19 and then transfusing those antibodies into an active COVID-19 patient. The antibody then creates passive immunization in the sick person to combat the virus and recover. Several states in India have adopted the plasma therapy, as reports reveal patients to have near recovery. With plasma therapy holding potential miracles, the Union Health Minister has warned that the treatment could possibly deviate itself to life-threatening transfusion complications. As being under experiment stage, it is yet not defined to be the ultimate weapon in fight against coronavirus. While India continues to battle the fatal COVID-19, cases keep sprawling in the country, breaching the 50,000 mark. Reports suggest that more than 30 vaccines are underway in different stages of development, while few are set to go for clinical trials. India, renowned as the vaccine manufacturing powerhouse, producing 60% of the world's vaccines, aspires to soon unleash a remarkable breakthrough under progress at the world's largest vaccine maker, the Serum Institute of India. If trials are successful, India may soon have its breakthrough vaccine to defeat COVID-19. With Madeline Ravi for NMTV News.